Please remember that there are three stages that a civilization goes through. Usually, one, where it is aware of its identity. Second, where it is in the process of losing its identity. Third, when it completely loses its identity.
After listening to the words of J. Sai Deepak, what do you think? At what stage is our civilization? According to me, we are very close to the stage 3 he talked about. Yes, we are very close to losing our identity. How can I say so? I say it because we have reached the stage where demanding for justice and equality makes us politically incorrect. They had already flawed the political setup in a way to make it completely against us. The present generation is forgetting their roots. It's time to wake up. It's time to face the truth, leaving political correctness aside. It's time to decide whether we want to take a stand to revive our identity or we want to lose it permanently. Just ask yourself, why Ramayana and Mahabharata were termed as mythology when they are our history? Why it's you who have to prove whether you are secular or not? Why do you get termed as communal for speaking up on issues which are affecting this nation? Things are this way because you have been ignorant of the conspiracy against you and this great civilization for years, and now the time has come to acknowledge the mistakes we made in the past and take a stand for the sake of the future of this civilization. If you want a revival of this great civilization, start calling history history, not mythology. Start calling a spade. Doesn't matter if it hurts the sentiments of people around. Start calling out those who are working against this civilization from years. Start exposing the urban Naxals, the jihadis, the anti-India forces. You are the descendants of the greatest of warriors that we've had. You belong to a culture which accepted everyone. You shouldn't be seeking any kind of validation from anyone. You don't need to prove anything to anyone. Just remember who you are, the culture you belong to, your forefathers who did everything to protect this civilization from the biggest of the dangers, and the fact that we have limited time to revive this great civilization. Wake up and join the war against them. These words of Rajdeep Sardesai describes such termites very aptly.
We are like vultures. We feed on these moments.